Hi there. Today we are going to show you how to use YouTube, not only to watch videos, but to manage your own personal video library. So maybe we can work towards getting some of that stuff off of our network if you want to share it. If you've got a lot of video to store, it's a great place to store it, and you can retrieve it anywhere. Everybody has a YouTube account already, so we're just going to show you how to use it.
Some things that we're going to talk about is uploading a video or multiple videos, making your video private, public, or unlisted, and then also kind of going over some things with my channel, your video editor, and an audio library where you can get some of those cool songs that you want to use, and then some of the managing tools of it as well.
So let's get started. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. So here's my Google Chrome window, and I'm just going to go right into www.youtube.com. So you can see I'm already signed into YouTube here. If you're already logged into your Google Drive account or something like that, if you're using Google Chrome, it should be automatically signed in for you. You can see it's got my picture and my email address up here. If not, just go ahead and sign in with your email address and your normal password, and it'll get you in there. So let's get started. What we're going to do is click on this upload button right here, and right here is where we can upload a video. As you can see, you can do other things to create a video. You can capture from a webcam, you can create a photo slideshow, that kind of a thing. But we're just going to go ahead and upload some video that we've already got. So you can drag files in here if you've got files on your desktop. Or you can just click this button to start the upload. Now what you'll notice is that this little drop down box right here is asking me how I want those videos to be shared by default. And you can change this later, especially if you've got multiple videos to upload. So public, unlisted, or private, those are your three options, and we're going to show you the difference between those. Let's just leave it on public for now, and I'm going to click this button and I'm going to browse for some videos. Now you can see if I go into my iDrive, I've got a lot of stuff in there. If I go under my videos, what I've got here are three just public domain video files, and these are in different formats. YouTube will accept almost any format of video except for Flash video. So if you've got a .flv, for whatever reason, that's not going to fly. But let's go ahead and start with this small video here. Actually, this one's the smallest one. Let's do that one. So there it goes. It's uploading. You can see it's such a small video that it's going to be done by the time I'm done talking. It shows you the upload status. What you can do while you wait is you can click add more videos. You don't have to wait for this one to finish uploading. You can go ahead and start uploading the next video, and you can get all these done really in a matter of minutes.
Another thing you can do while you're uploading too is you can add the file name, what you want the name to look like. You can add a little description about the video itself to it. You can add little tags to help with searching as well with any of the videos that you upload to YouTube. So just some of those little things. And then over to the right as well, under public, that's where you can also change from it being public, unlisted, or private view as well.
Now unlisted means that the video essentially is still public. It's just not going to show up on any Google YouTube searches. So if I search for whatever it is I typed in the video here, it's not even going to come up. You can share this video by sending the link to anybody in the world, and they'll be able to get to it. Private is a great option if it's video that's got sensitive information, students' information, that kind of a thing, the stuff that just shouldn't be made public. You can go ahead and mark it private, and what's neat is that you can actually share that with individual people or groups, just like you share a Google Doc. So I'm going to go ahead and share this one with Mr. Steckley here. You can see I've already got him in my my Google circles, so he's going to go on there. This will actually search our Spartan.org directory, so even if I type somebody else's name that I don't have in my Google circles but is listed in our Spartan.org directory, they'll show up there. So I'm going to share that with Mr. Steckley. You see that each video needs to upload and it needs to process, and sometimes it can take some time before your video is actually ready to view or edit. But I think these should be, this one's getting almost done, and I'm going to click show more right here on this second one, and I can edit this one in the same way that I edited the first one. We're going to make that one just unlisted. Now what you can see is over here on the left, you don't have to wait for the video to be completely uploaded to have the link. So if you're creating some curriculum or something like that, you're adding this stuff into your Schoology page, while this is uploading, even if it's going to take, you know, an hour or more, you can take this link. I'm just going to right click and hit copy link address, and then I can paste that link into you know, whatever it is I'm going to share, however I'm going to share that video. Now you can see this video here, while it's being processed, it's going to go ahead and grab a video thumbnail. You can change that. If I want to use this one as the thumbnail, I can do that. All the while I'm uploading other videos, I don't have to wait and do them sequentially. So let's say that these are the only 2 videos that I've got to upload today. And I'm going to go ahead and hit done while those are processing. They're going to continue to process, and I don't even really have to keep this window open. You do have to keep the window open if they're still uploading. So if they are if they're marked as uploading, just go ahead and minimize it instead of close the window until they're all at least done uploading, but they don't have to be done processing. So while that's working, let's talk about the time limit for just a second. Jamie and I both have already authorized our YouTube accounts to have longer videos, but by default it's only 15 minutes.
Yep. So what you're able to do is, many times, is a lot of your videos sometimes are more than 15 minutes long that you create. And so what you have to do is you have to authorize your YouTube account with your cell phone. And that allows you to have up to, I believe, 60 minutes of uploading video, if not, I think, longer as well. That all you have to do is authorize your cell phone through a text message to enable that feature. And to do that,
I think you just go under your account settings, if I remember correctly.
Yes, I believe that is correct.
So we'll send a link out to show you how to do that, but it's pretty easy. While this is uploading, we're going to show you how to edit the videos, right? So
Yep.
YouTube comes with a video manager. You can see that these are still marked as processing, so they're not going to be quite ready yet. But what I'm in here is my video manager, right? It shows me all of my uploads. These are previous things that I've uploaded. You can see the lock icon means that these are marked as private, so these might only be shared with a certain number of people. The unlocked means that it's unlisted, and then the little globe means that this is public. So this particular video we were able to make public, post it on Facebook, that kind of a thing. It's going to be up to you how you mark those videos. Then over here on the left, we can go to, under Creation Tools, we can actually have a built-in video editor. So if you don't have any video editing software on your computer, you don't want to use Windows Movie Maker, the YouTube editor is actually pretty good, and it's pretty easy to use. So we're going to show you how to use that briefly. So I'm going to go under Video Editor. And what I can do, I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. If I clicked edit on a video, it would automatically take me into a new project where it's got that video as the only source. But you can see here I've started a new project, and I'm going to call it Test Edited Video. Yep, and over here on the right, these are all of the videos that are in my library. So I can add any of the videos. If you've got little segments or chunks of a video and you want to sort of combine those, you want to add some music or some title sequences, this is the way you do that. So here's my first test video. I'm just going to drag that right into there. You can see it's 18 minutes and 49 seconds long, some old TV show here. While I've got this video highlighted, this section right here changes to allow me to do things to this particular slice of video. I can change the brightness, I can stabilize it, which is really great if you've got cell phone video. It'll actually stabilize that video and make it easier to watch. You can apply all kinds of filters and all kinds of stuff. You can put text over the top of it, all kinds of good stuff. But I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to click the close button. So this is going to be the first video in my edit here. Yeah, down here you can actually have audio as well. let's say, oh, it doesn't have my other video in there yet. Let's say that I want to have this one, and this is going to be my second clip. You can see, since this is highlighted in blue, my context sensitive, edits are over here on the right, but I'm not going to make any edits. I'm just going to combine these two videos right here. The other thing that you can do is you can actually search all of YouTube for any Creative Commons licensed video. So if you've got, I don't know, people upload videos of all types. If you wanted a video of a waterfall and somebody had marked that video as public domain where you can use it in your own video, it's great. You can search for whatever you want, the moon, and you can just add, some of them are better than others, I guess, but you can just add it right in there, and you can make that part of your video as well. The other thing that you can do is you can add photos here to your project. You can also add these audio tracks. These are public domain, licensed, royalty-free audio tracks made available by YouTube for free in your video. So you don't have to upload something that's copyright protected, which you may or may not be able to use as part of your project. These you don't have to worry about the copyrights. You can just add that right in there, put that audio track, and then of course you would use a little drag window to tell you how long you would like that audio track to last. Maybe something like that. But you can see, it might take a little bit of playing around with, but you can. Why don't let me make that bigger?
Oh, because it's already maxed out.
It's like
it's already maxed out because we have an 18-minute video and.
Oh yeah, it's a 2-minute song. Okay.
2-minute song.
It's all good though. It's all good.
It's all good.
That's how you do it. So here are your transitions, right? So if I've got these 3 videos, if I were just to play these front to back, it's just going to do a hard cut from one video to the other. If you wanted to crossfade them or one of these other fancy effects, you can just take that and drag it right into the little in-between space in between the videos you can see there, and it's going to crossfade those. Of course, you can edit how long they should be crossfaded and that sort of a thing. You can also see it automatically starts playing every time you're done, so I guess that can be kind of annoying.
Yes, it can.
If you go over here to the title part, you can actually make a title. So if you want to start the video off with a certain title, you just grab that. Let's get the Zoom title. We're going to put that in the front, and I'm going to put, this is my video, and
change the background color.
Yeah, we'll make it red, I guess.
Oofta.
Yeah, there you go. That's how it works. And then you can make this as long as you want.
You can change the font. You can make it bold print, italicized, and do the size of it. You can have the different color of letters. I mean, all those cool things you can do with your video to spice it up a little bit.
Yeah. So that is how you use the editor. And of course, you can use any combination of this. If you wanted to crossfade your title in with your first segment, you can do that. And then when you're all done, you want to hit publish, right? So this is my video. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's just say that it's all done and finished. I'm just going to hit publish. And it's going to go ahead and process that. Now, you might want to make changes to the edited video. The edited video is going to be treated as a different video than the segment videos that you used to make that. So this is going to be an entirely new video. So I've got to go back to my manager, video manager here, so that I can change how I want that to look. You see, by default it's going to be private. If I go to info and settings, here's where I can make it public if I wanted to, all that sort of thing. So YouTube, super easy to use. Of course, once you're done, this is the most important part for me, once you're done, you want to delete those videos off of your iDrive if you don't need them. So if you've put all this stuff up there, I no longer need the source videos, certainly feel free to delete those. I'm going to go back here to my videos, and I can just select those 3 and delete them off. Now they're no longer taking up space on the network. Isn't that great? So that is in a nutshell.
Any
man.
any YouTube questions, you can either contact Jamie or Nick, and we'll take care of you.